Welcome back to Auto Sandbox. Today, we're delving into a critical component that makes manual driving a breeze: the clutch. If you've been experiencing difficulty shifting gears or strange noises when engaging the clutch, you might be facing some clutch problems. Fear not. We'll walk you through the common symptoms, causes, and simple fixes for clutch issues. Let's get started. First things first. Understanding the clutch. Before we dive into the problems, it is important we understand what the clutch system does in a manual transmission car. Basically, the clutch connects the engine to the transmission, allowing you to change gears smoothly while driving. When you press the clutch pedal, it disengages the engine from the transmission, enabling you to shift gears without grinding. Now, let's explore some signs that your clutch might be having some issues. If you notice any of these symptoms while driving, your clutch might possibly be sending you a warning message. Let's explore them. 1. Difficulty shifting gears. If you find it hard to engage gears or experience grinding noises while shifting, it could be a clutch problem. 2. Slipping clutch. Does your engine rev higher than usual, but your car doesn't accelerate as it should? This might indicate a slipping clutch. 3. Burning smell. A burning odor, resembling burnt rubber, while engaging the clutch might indicate excessive friction and clutch slippage. 4. Soft or spongy pedal. If your clutch pedal feels soft or spongy and doesn't engage or disengage smoothly, there might be an issue. What then could be the possible causes? Don't worry. We're here to do just that. Let's uncover the top reasons behind clutch problems. 1. Worn clutch disc. Over time, the clutch disc can wear down, leading to reduced friction and slipping. 2. Faulty clutch pressure plate. The pressure plate exerts pressure on the clutch disc, allowing it to engage with the flywheel. If it's faulty, you might experience difficulties while shifting. 3. Clutch master cylinder or slave cylinder issues. Problems with these hydraulic components can lead to a soft or spongy clutch pedal. 4. Contaminated clutch fluid. Dirty or contaminated clutch fluid can affect the hydraulic system's performance. Now is the time for us to give you some simple fixes and maintenance tips that will help you address this problem. 1. Check clutch fluid. Regularly check and replace clutch fluid if needed, as contaminated fluid can cause problems. 2. Bleed the clutch system. If your clutch feels spongy, bleeding the hydraulic system can remove air bubbles and improve the pedal feel. 3. Replace worn components. If you notice worn clutch components, like the clutch disc or pressure plate, have them replaced promptly. 4. Practice proper driving habits. Avoid riding the clutch, especially during stop-and-go traffic, to extend the clutch's lifespan. Clutch problems may seem intimidating, but with early detection and proper maintenance, you can keep your clutch in excellent working condition. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share and subscribe to our channel for more automotive insights. Have any clutch stories to share or questions about your clutch's health? Drop a comment below, and let's chat. Until next time, drive smoothly, shift gears like a pro, and stay revved up for more exciting content.